In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pull request on GitHub. Start by opening your web browser and searching for GitHub. You can also go directly to the main site if you prefer, but using search helps ensure you land on the official page. Click the correct result to open GitHub. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. If your organization uses extra verification, complete that as well. Once you're in, navigate to the repository where you've made your changes. If you recently pushed a branch, look near the top of the page for a yellow banner that offers to compare and open a pull request. That banner is a shortcut. Clicking it will jump you straight to the pull request form. If you don't see it, no problem. Let's continue manually. Open the repository's branch menu. You'll find a branch icon next to the branch dropdown. This lets you browse and manage branches. Locate the branch that contains your changes, then open its menu by clicking the three-dot icon beside that branch. From the options that appear, choose New Pull Request. This takes you to the comparison view, where GitHub lines up your branch against the base branch, typically main or the repository's default. Take a moment to confirm that the base and compare branches are correct. The arrow should read as base on the left and your feature branch on the right. If those aren't right, adjust them before proceeding. Now fill out the pull request details. Add a clear, concise title that describes the change, like a brief headline someone scanning the list would understand. In the description, explain the why and the what, the problem you're solving, the approach you took, and any notable implementation details or trade-offs. If your team tracks work and issues, reference them here using the repository's preferred format so they link automatically. If visuals help, you can drag and drop screenshots or GIFs into the description. They'll upload and embed in line. You don't need to manually attach code files. The Files Change tab will automatically show all differences between the two branches. When everything looks good, click Create Pull Request. GitHub will open the new pull request page, where you can see your summary, the diff, any automated checks that start running, and a space for conversation. From here, your teammates can review, comment, and approve. If something needs tweaking, simply push more commits to the same branch, and the pull request will update automatically. That's it. Your pull request is created and ready for review.